Good morning, everybody. Great to see you again. Here is our check-in for the morning. I want to see how you are doing, and I want to keep in touch with how you're feeling, what you're thinking, how things could go better. So here is your check-in for the morning. So it says, how have you felt during home learning? Use the pen tool to circle a face that shows you how you feel during home learning. Use the microphone tool to tell how you feel and why. What is working well for you? What would make home learning better? And then you're going to press the green check. So we're going to click Add Response. You're going to find your name. And all you have to do is use the pen tool to circle how you're feeling. If you're like not feeling good at all, you're very upset about something, you're mad, you're going to circle this one. This one's kind of like sad. This one's like, I'm okay, I'm not happy, I'm not sad, I'm just kind of blah. This one's you're happy, and this one is you're excited. So I'm going to circle I'm excited because I am so excited to see you guys today. And then use the microphone to tell what is working well for you and what would make home learning better. So you would press the microphone button and say, our Zoom meetings are working really well for me. I was really excited to see everybody's faces. And something that would make home learning better is if all the students were able to get on Zoom and participate in our Zoom lessons. So that is what you do, and when you're finished you click done, and then when that's done you click the green check again and it should upload.